All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about how to review the TOEFL test and how to study for the TOEFL test. So, pretty much, you're going to go to Google and write TOEFL, and you're going to get different websites. So, you want to look for the legit website, the website that goes with ETS, and it's right here. And then once you open the website, you can go to test takers and look at the TOEFL iBT. Open that. And here you see on the top it says resources, where to study, registration, test day, and scores. So we can go to resources and click on test content. And then we're going to go here for prepare for the test. And here you can see courses, you can see practice tests and guidebooks. I would go for practice tests. And here you can practice for the test. So you have this one, practice online, and this one you'd have to pay for. No, this one you have to pay for, but this one is for free. And then you have all of these practice tests right here. So let's go for this one. Um, this one it says that you have to purchase it. This one is for free, so you can click here and you can look at a sample of the test. And here you go. The page just loaded now, and then you can click here, continue, and you can start the reading test. As you see here is the reading test. Okay. So this is one way to practice for the test. We can also see other ways to practice for the test. Um, there's an iBT paper edition here that's released. You can download it and also practice for the test. And BBT stands for paper-based test. So this is a paper edition. There is also a free website that you could use to practice for the test, which is this website right here. Course EDX, and you can sign up to study a free course. Okay. And you can see here different courses that they have. Maybe we can search for the TOEFL. And here you go. This is the TOEFL test preparation. I'm going to click right here. And you can go ahead and enroll. It's a free course, so you don't have to pay for it. Right? Once you enroll, you're going to have a username and password, and you can access this course to prepare for the TOEFL test. Going back here, you can still look at the resources. They have so many resources. They have here practice tests. These are the ones that we looked at earlier. but also the courses. They have also courses. This is the official IBT prep course, and I think it's for free. So um, I don't think you would have to pay for it. Um, and there are some courses that you might want to pay for them and sign up for a free course. That's the course that I told you about earlier. That you can this one. Okay, this is a free course. It's actually a really good course. It has a lot of YouTube videos that explains how to answer the questions and how to approach the test. And I highly recommend this training course right here. Okay, let's see if we have any other resources. We have here TOEFL iBT practice sets. All of these are practice sets that you can download and work on them by yourself. There's also free practice tests that you could download. And as you know, that the TOEFL is test four skills: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. And each skill is out of 30 points. Okay, let's look at this test right here. This is a release test. We have a reading passage right here. Questions. This is the reading question. Here's another reading passage. And here we get to the listening test. And we have listen and practice set one. So basically, you listen to a conversation between a student. It's a casual conversation at an academic setting. So it's a student talking to a university clerk or librarian or a professor. It's not really an official lecture. You have questions here. We have practice it too, which is mainly an academic listening. So you would listen to a professor giving a lecture, and you would have to answer questions. Okay, this is the listening practice. And then you have another listening task, set three. Of course, you have to be taking notes while you're doing the listening. All parts of the test, you would have to take notes: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This is the answer key for the listening. And then you get to the speaking section. And here are some of the questions that you might find in the speaking section. State whether you agree or disagree with the following statement, then explain your reasons using specific details in your explanation. You have 15 minutes to prepare and 45 minutes to record your answer. Here's speaking set two, speaking set three, speaking set four. And that one you listen and I think read a passage and then you have to comment on them. Writing section has two questions: independent task and the independent task, you just respond to a writing task, and then the integrated task where you would have to watch a video and um, read a passage and then respond to the lecture and the reading. And we have sample answers here for independent task and the integrated task. I think this is a really good way to practice. You don't really need to buy a lot of material. Everything is online. uh, but you choose whichever is convenient for you. And I just wanted to go through these with you really quick. If you'd like to register for the test, you go here and you register. I'm not sure if you can still take it at home, but last year I was able to take it at home, and it was okay. I'll be making more videos about the TOEFL test. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or any requests, and I'll try to accommodate them. Thank you for watching.